Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We are very clear about one thing, that Mamata Banerjee is the strongest anti-BJP leader on the ground that we have today.
गोयात एंट्री केल्ली TMC मतां फोडूंक BJPच्या बऱ्याक म्हूण सध्या गणितां चल्ल्यात. विचारल्यार TMC म्हणटा बंगालातूय एका तेंपार काँग्रेस आनी CPIMूच आशिल्ले. आज काँग्रेस खंयच ना.
Because when we started off in Bengal, it was a Congress versus CPM, and Trinamool started in 11 when we came to power. This is something, so we'll be facing the same challenges.
काँग्रेसीक TMC तोंडाक लागपाचें ना. गोंयांत खंय जायते इश्यू आसात.
There's no answer. There's no need to give an answer. We are doing our job.
That's a question you have to ask the Congress. I don't frankly know where they stand, and that's something you need to ask the Congress. I think if the Congress could answer that question, they wouldn't be in that position today.
काँग्रेसी कडेन खंय मोदी आड झुजपाची तांक ना. ममता बॅनर्जी राष्ट्रीय पावड्यार खडेगाड एंटी-BJP, एंटी-मोदी.
Everyone says that we voted for the Congress the last time, but they couldn't form the government.
Competent and fully prepared to defeat the BJP.
That's something the Congress has to answer. The Congress has to figure out where in the spectrum they lie.